In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the archive list on Trello, the popular project management software. Trello makes managing tasks and projects a breeze with its simple and intuitive interface, but finding specific features like the archive list might sometimes be a bit tricky. So let's get started and walk through the steps together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. Now, if you have an account, you can proceed by entering your email and password. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can log in using your Google account for quicker access. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Trello boards page. From here, locate the Your Workspaces section. This is where you can see all the boards associated with your workspace. Take a moment to find the specific board you want to work with and click on it to open it. Once you're inside your selected board, your screen will display a variety of task cards and lists that make up your project. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find three dots. This menu contains additional settings for your board. Click on those three dots, which will bring up a list of options. From the drop-down menu, select Archived Items. This option lets you access the items that have been removed from your active board list but are still stored in your Trello account. After selecting Archived Items, the archived cards and list will be revealed. To simplify your search and view archived lists specifically, look for the option that says Switch to Lists and click on it. This change will filter the view to show only your archived lists, making it much easier to locate what you're searching for. If you find a list that you want to reintegrate into your board, click on Send to Board. This action will move the archived list back into your active board area, where you can manage and modify it as needed. It's a handy feature for bringing back any lists that you might have temporarily set aside, but are now ready to use again. And there you have it. You've now successfully located the archive list on Trello and learned how to restore a list to your board. This process is really useful for organizing your projects efficiently and ensuring nothing gets lost along the way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your project management on Trello even smoother.